Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Alif Haikal bin Muhammad Nazri, matrix number AF190166. Today I would like to talk about the consolidation and settlement. What is settlement? Settlement refers to the changes in soil volume due to the compressive deformation of beneath a structure. What is mean by the compressive deformation? It is generally results from the reduction in void volume accompanied by the rearrangement of soil grains and compression of the materials in void. So, in the other word, settlement is defined as the vertical movement of the ground, which is typically induced by the stress changes. Next, what is consolidation? Consolidation is the gradual reduction in the volume of a partly or fully saturated soil under sustained loading and is mainly due to the expulsion of water from the soil pores. And what is consolidation settlement? It is the process by which the volume of soil is decreased by removal of water from the pore of the soil mass. When the saturated soil layer is subjected to the increasing stress, the hydrostatic stress suddenly increases. In the soil like sand, the permeability is commonly high and the pore water immediately drains out. Because of the pore water reduction, the reduction of the volume occurs in the soil, and that's the results in consolidation settlement. Next, there are three types of settlement, which are uniform settlement, tipping settlement, and differential settlement. For uniform settlement, it occurs when the structure is located at the same layer of soil up to the foundation depth and it does not have any major impact or cracks on the structure. While for the tipping settlement, it occurs when a part of the structure settles down to a certain depth and mostly with no cracks. However, it can lead to a cracks on the structure. And the differential settlements happens when the structure is built on the soil which containing different layers which may settle down differently and the cracks appear on the different elements of the structure which can lead to a collapse of the structure. Next, this is the example of consolidation settlement which occurs at my house located at Kampung Sri Padu, Johor Bahru. As you can see in the picture, the cracks already occurs on the wall. The settled ground level which now already covered with mortar, and there is hollow underneath the floor slab. And for example 2, since my house is located on the higher ground level, so there are a retaining wall which provide functional support for keeping soil in place. As we can see in the picture, there are major cracks on the retaining wall which can collapse in any minutes. As for the causes of these problems to happen, there are various causes of differential settlements. First, the settlement cracks may appear when the underlying ground has not been compacted, which is inappropriately prepared, or if the subsoil in improper consistency. Next, a settlement crack may also appear as a random crack above areas where the soil of the subgrade was uneven after the concrete was poured. It will also caused by the vibration. As for the cracks on the retaining wall, the main cause behind this problem is poor drainage system, which the hydrostatic pressure builds up behind the retaining wall. Saturated soil is substantially heavier than dry soil, and the retaining wall may not be designed to handle such a load. Thus, the cracks occur. That's all from me. Thank you.